Moving on is part of growing up, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavours. Our students in particular will have new and exciting adventures to look forward to on progressing to university. On these occasions, it is traditional for the head to give some parting words of wisdom to those making the step to the next stage in their lives. People can be illogical, unreasonable, and self-centered. Love them anyway. If you do good, people may accuse you of selfish, ulterior motives. Do good anyway. If you are successful, you will win false friends and true enemies. Succeed anyway. The good you do today may be forgotten tomorrow. Do good anyway. Honesty and frankness can make you vulnerable. Be honest and frank anyway. The biggest men and women with the biggest ideas can be shot down by the smallest men and women with the smallest minds. Think big anyway. People say they favour underdogs, but only follow the top dogs. Fight for the underdogs anyway. What you spend years building may be destroyed overnight. Build anyway. Even when people need help, they may attack you when you help them. Help people anyway. If you give the world the best you have, you may get kicked in the teeth. Give the world the best you have anyway.